Hey, good morning. I wanted to give you a powerful way to assess risk in the market by using the VIX, the NASDAQ, and the Skew index. And so anyway, on TradeStation, the NASDAQ one is $VXN.X. NASDAQ is NQ for me. That's the mini. And then the Skew is $ SKEW.X. And so this basically is the comparison between the three. So what I want to bring to your attention is that these trend. Granted, the skew is a lot less, there's only one indication per day, so you get one number. So this is a lot less responsive than the VIX for the S&P or the VIX for the NASDAQ might be. So, but what you can see is that this is measuring overall risk, and you can see the actual trends. So what I did was I reverse engineered the moving averages for the VIX to show when it's going down, it is bullish. When it's going up, it's bearish. And then I've obviously charted the NASDAQ to indicate when the trend is down, where support and resistance is, and then you can kind of see the breakouts, and you can even see the choppy periods when they happen. But when you have a situation where the VIX is blue and the NASDAQ's blue and the skew is green. Green and blue is bullish for me. Red and dark red is bearish. So you're seeing all green and blue, then we're going to be in a bullish phase. So you got 2 out of 3, green, blue. NASDAQ's not confirming, but then it breaks out to the north side and you get a bullish phase. Same is true for red. So you get a red VIX, so you get a breakout trending to the north side, right? And you can see this is actually confirming on 221.25. And the skew obviously does not confirm until a little bit later, but you're looking at 225.25. So you get about a 4-day period before that actually confirms to the downside. And then you get a pretty monster move. This is pretty much flat, so I wouldn't consider that a breakout on the skew, but this pretty much runs all the way from 22,000 all the way down to 19,500 on the NASDAQ, and you can kind of just follow the whole trend. And then skew basically breaks out for a minute. You get a pause in that action, and then you get another confirmed move where the VIX and the NASDAQ are all red. The skew is a little bit late to the party on this one, but it is in that bearish zone. So to me, a bullish breakout wouldn't be till above this period anyway. So you're looking at basically another bearish phase until you get all the way over here. And these are both confirming, blue and green, blue and green. And then the skew actually confirms, which basically you're getting a higher high on the skew. And so that to me is kind of more of a confirmation. But now we're flat. So right now, bullish, kind of unknown, but it seems to be trending up. And so we get another breakout. This can go, go nuts. But by the same token, it's still in that kind of, I don't know about risk. It's a little more risky than it would be. And we're starting to see where the NASDAQ's got, it has not made a higher high since really the 13th, 14th. So we kind of sort of went bullish, and then we kind of paused, kind of sort of went bullish, and now we're kind of in pause mode. So there's a lot of indecision out there right now, but I wanted to show you this incredible way to see the confirmations where, hey, we were in a bullish phase here, but all of a sudden we're seeing red, and we're seeing red, and we're seeing the skew show red. Uh-oh, and then you get a sell-off. So anyway, something to pay attention to. I have all this code I'm going to be making it available. So just be alert to it. Something to watch for, and know when there's a lot of risk in the marketplace and when you get the more all clear signals, because buying and selling stocks in these environments, could be really, really helpful. Hope it helps. See you.